Berjumpa lagi dengan channel kita, channel kesayangan kita semua ya kan, channel IRC. Apa meneh to? Ini dia sudah masuk. Kita bagaimana prosesnya?
Hasil punya Mek.
Bunga piye? Iya sih kan.
Tulisannya 135.
Iya. Blok yang baru gua ambil tadi. Ya kan, ini ya.
Udah ganti botol.
Udah ganti botol. Ini kita apain lah. Jangan lupa ikuti terus videonya, jangan skip ya. Tonton sampai selesai.
It starts with
one thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. One thing, I don't know why, it doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the
bahasa kesunyian aku dan semua yang terluka karena kita. Aku kan menghilang sepekat malam lepas melayang. Biarlah ku bersayang ke bintang-bintang tentang arti kita dalam mimpi yang sempurna. Tolongkan aku yang berjalan dalam kehampaan, terdiam, terpana, terbata, semua dalam keraguan. Aku dan semua yang terluka karena kita. Aku kan menghilang sepekat malam lepas ku melayang. Biarlah ku bersayang ke bintang-bintang tentang arti kita dalam mimpi yang sempurna. Aku dan semua yang terluka karena kita. Aku kan menghilang sepekat malam lepas ku melayang. Biarlah ku bersayang ke bintang-bintang tentang arti kita. Please don't go.
Push your care, push your burdens aside. Erase everything inside and leave just one thing on your mind. So just go fucking so sure with every breath you die, with every step we die. We only had one chance. If they the chance right now is you only have one life. But I never your time. So bring your race and your divine.
Kailangan nyo kan, mau kereta pun sah. Dia kereta ya, Lek? Boleh kan?
Boleh. Oh, lawan keras tuh.
Kalah itu putus.
Oh, putus. Oke.
Lagi tuh Sonic tuh kan, Lek. Yang lu mau Dexter.
Mau standar aja, nanti biniku naiknya kayak mana?
Ini aku belum punya bini kok, Lek.
Iya.
Tapi nanti aku kencang mati nggak jadi nggak bini lah.
Bar vlog.
Aduh.
Vlog udah gores. Makanya itu. Ini mekaniknya yang dulu ini. Tapi nggak tahu lah, nggak mau tahu. Entah siapa pengolahnya, entah siapa apanya. Intinya awak ngurusi kerjaan awak ya kan. tapi ini bloknya blok second. Aku wajib jelas apa juga kemebul buka sedreknya kopior. Jadi untuk part 1 ya kan ya, part 2 nya tunggu aja. Jangan lupa di like, subscribe, and share. Komen-komen aja, jangan segan-segan. Oke ya, makasih.